Wow, it is like, man. Oh, shit! Here come the thunder. That first thunder strike, man, it rumbled the house. I see them birds ain't out here fucking with the trash over there. The birds got ghosts. Damn! You scared me. Damn! It's starting to look like it's fucking snowing, dude. Yeah. Like, hey, look at Jim's driveway, yo.
I see it, dog. What the hell is going on? It's almost summertime. It was just hot yesterday. It was. Answer the phone. How you waiting for this? Huh?
Alright, I gotta go get on Facebook and make a comment. This is wild, yo. Damn, that is crazy. I guess we can't submit this to the news station. They have to take the audio out because we was cussing too much. We was scared as hell. That was pure D-effing wild, man. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's a little too hard. I gotta get back. Damn, it's starting to come down hard again. I got hit in the ear with some hail. Oh shit, there we see. Yeah, I'm not going nowhere till this subsides, man. I'm not cool with the lightning. I'm not scared. Let me chill out. That's canceling out my melanin, but yo.
You don't have anything to worry about as long as you stay low. As long as you're not the highest thing that the lightning has to conduct, there's hella higher shit around us than us right now, so you wouldn't really have to worry about it.
Dang, I should have got it just a second ago because it looked like there was more.
Oh.
Damn, I hit the door.
Man, you know, my camera's kind of...
Dang, I'm glad we won when we won.
It's coming down if you can't see it. This is my hot phone. See my dad recording it. Camera's probably better.
Be careful. Don't fall.
Look at that. It's like paint on the garbage can. Look at our car.
We can send this to your grandpa, but he gonna think we're a bunch of sissies because he down there in Oklahoma where they be getting the tornadoes and shit.
Well, what's the month? It is May 19th. This is supposed to be summer. How we got hail on our car?
Yeah, speaking of which, and this video documented here, son, turn us around for me, please. Take the video of me real quick, keep it recording. Delando Williams, Snoop Love, Biz One of RMF, Wolfpack MCs, happy birthday. It's hard to wish you happy birthday when you won't answer your phone or set up your voicemail for somebody to leave you a voicemail and say happy birthday. Answer the text. Don't want to see you later on and you be on some of that old bull talking about, you didn't call me for my birthday. I did. And this video was proof. Happy birthday, Manaka 37. Wow. Now back to this damn hail.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I'm in the house now. I'm trying to catch one more lightning. I mean, I don't want to catch it. I just want to see it on.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
I know what you got. Yeah, I know what you said.
All right, I'm good.
Oh, no, you for real now?